Hey guys, good morning. It's actually not morning, it's like close to 12 now, but we're just getting a start to our day. Emmy woke up at 8:30 and we didn't get her out of the crib until 9, so we're kind of getting a slow start to our day. We're just out running errands right now. It's a super hot day. It's like 90 in the 90s, so we're gonna run our errands during the first part of the day and then take Emmy home for a nap. But right now we're going to the post office on the other side of town as per usual, so I can mail off some stuff and check my P.O. box. And then we're gonna run to Target. I have some things I need to take back to there. And I think they have their Adirondack like patio outdoor chairs on sale for 30% off. So we're gonna get one more of those to put on our patio, so when we have like company over, it'll just be really nice and comfy out there on our balcony. Right now, Andrew is inside a juice place getting us some smoothies. I was so excited to get on here today and update you guys with how good I have been feeling with eating really healthy. I have been eating so healthy, just like packing my body full of nutritious, real foods. Anyways, I've been having so much fun doing it and I have been feeling so good. And then I woke up this morning not feeling good. Also, I could not sleep last night. I don't know if it's pregnancy insomnia kicking in. I certainly hope not. I don't remember having that with Emmy, but last night I just laid awake in bed. I was tired and I wanted to sleep, but I just laid awake in bed for a long time. So today I'm gonna make a pillow spray with some essential oils, and I'll show you guys how to make that. But it is definitely time. I need to have something to help me sleep because I cannot continue on with no sleep because I feel like garbage today. Andrew told me today that he's gonna quit drinking sodas, which is huge. That is the place that Andrew's getting our smoothies from. It's called Clean Juice in West Ashley. Ooh, those look good. Thank you. Yeah, baby, we're gonna get you some fries. Emmy's been asking for chicken and fries. So we're gonna go to probably Chick-fil-A and get her some chicken and fries, but ooh, this looks good. It's really good. It's strawberry, banana, almond, butter, and I think it has a little bit of maple syrup in it. That's really good. What'd you get?
Longevity.
You try it?
Yeah, ginger apple, pineapple, spinach, coconut water. It's pretty good.
Oh, that is really good. You can taste the ginger in it. Wow, that one's really good. Ooh, got a package. Look at how cute. It's a mini Adirondack for Emmy. I think we should get it.
You want a chair?
Emmy, look. Look. This is for you. Do you want this?
Are you sleepy?
You want to sit there? I think we should get it.
Okay.
$10, it's pretty good.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Jen, come
Hey
try your
Emmy.
chair.
Emmy, where are you? Come here, come try your chair. Come here. Come on, let's go try your chair. Let's put it outside. Go on out. Are you ready? Look at that, is disgusting. That's mold that has grown on that chair. Okay, Come here. What do you think? Is it cool? It's pretty cool, I think. Look, Emmy's got her own chair. Wow. How cute is that? Oh my gosh. We sit out here all the time, so this is gonna be perfect for her. Yeah. Did you really like that cookie you ate in the car? Was it good? What do you want to tell him? Can you blow him a kiss? Oh, that's nice. Do you think it's time to take a nap? No. Yes. And it's nap time. Good night. I made Andrew and I some lunch. We're about to eat this. He's putting Emmy down for a nap right now. But these are the eggs that we use. We got them from Costco. They're organic and cage-free. And then over here, I put in some chicken sausage. It's chicken and apple sausage, and it's got chicken raised with no antibiotics, and they have no nitrites, and this is really good. Comes with a whole lot of them. And then I also put these tomatoes. These tomatoes have been so yummy. I've been putting them in salads, obviously in eggs, and then I've also just been slicing them up and putting salt and pepper on them and eating them for a snack, and they're really good. And then I also put some organic baby spinach that we also got from Costco. And then I put this super healthy cheese on top of it. I'm gonna get an organic cheese next time we buy cheese. I'm just trying to use this up. But yeah, that's what we're having for lunch. All right, I wanted to show you, this is what came in my P.O. box today. It's from a company in Peru called, let me find the logo. I just saw it. Oh, here it is. Baby Wrap. And then this is how you will put it on. I'm so excited to try this with baby boy. Oh my goodness, I've never had a wrap. I've only ever had like the baby Catan carrier where you just kind of like put it on and stick them in. So this will be really fun to try a wrap, and I love the color that it came in. It's kind of like a light heathered gray, which is one of my favorite colors. Definitely hands down gray is, well, you guys know, you've seen all of my stuff. Most of it is gray, and then I'm kind of going grays and whites with baby boy's things just to keep them all neutral, because here I am in all my pregnant glory. Hi guys. Having a little girl, the first time I went all out girl and got everything pink and girly. And now that we're having a boy, I kind of regret doing all that, because now I'm either going to have to just use pink things for him or get new stuff. And I'm kind of leaning towards new stuff because I don't want to use pink stuff for him. So anyways, thank you, Baby Wrap, for sending this to me. I'll have a link down to their website down below. But yeah, I'm really excited to try this. So cute. Okay, I'm going to make a sleepy time pillow spray because I am going to kick pregnancy insomnia's butt tonight. I'm determined. So these are the oils that I'm going to use. I'm going to use bergamot, orange, and lavender. So I wasn't sure about this combination, but I stuck them all together and like sniffed it and I loved it. I thought it smelled really good. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put about 5 drops each into a spray bottle. I'm gonna put a little bit of rubbing alcohol in here because oil and water do not mix. Also, this will help the spray to dry faster on your pillow, so it's not just like sitting there when your head is on the pillow and it's all wet. This will help it dry like a lot faster, so. So I ended up putting 10 drops of lavender, 5 drops of bergamot, 5 drops of orange, and then I put in just a teeny bit of rubbing alcohol. And then what I suggest doing is doing equal parts to fill up the rest of the bottle, equal parts of witch hazel. I used the Thayer's unscented and water. So let's go try this out on my pillow and see what I think. Okay, so here's my pillow. Give it a little tossy toss. And then, okay, oh my gosh, yes, that smells so good. I'm really picking up on the lavender and the bergamot. So the orange, I just, in my personal opinion, would only put a little bit in there because it is very strong. So even like 2 drops would probably go a long way. But you guys can totally, if you're gonna make this, can totally customize it however you want. You can just do lavender, you can just do lavender bergamot, Roman chamomile. Chamomile is another really good sleepy time. Frankincense would be a good addition. But I'm really happy with the pillow spray. I cannot wait to try it tonight. Hopefully it promotes some sleep.
Okay. Yeah.
So cute. Oh my gosh. She was calling Dada.
Oh, did you want to?
Hi, sweetie. Did you just wake up? Doggy's in the chair. I heard you calling Dada. Could you hear her? So cute. Hey, did you sleep good?
Yay.
Good. Emerson, do you want to go swimming?
Nope.
Come in. Let's leave our ice out here, okay? Here. Let's leave our ice out here. And we're gonna go put our swimsuit on, all right? Nope, ice is staying. Here's our swimsuit. Let's go. Come on. She won't give it up. Yay! Amy's swimming! got a really special jelly bean for you. What do you think?
Pink.
No, what do you think? Not pink. Is it good? Oh. Gave her a black licorice one and thought she might not like it, but also I just realized what's in her hand. What is that right there?
It's a present.
Got swimming hair, but I told Andrew that I wanted stuffed chicken breast and asparagus for dinner, and he totally delivered. He made chicken breast stuffed with cream cheese and Parmesan and spinach, and I just put some of the extra cream cheese on top, and then this delicious looking asparagus, and I am so excited to eat it. Thank you, sweet pea. Emmy is down for bed finally, and I am on the couch waiting for Andrew to get back. He actually had to run to the pool real quick because we forgot one of Emmy's toys. So he is on his way back, hopefully, and we are going to spend the rest of our night watching the finale of Southern Charm. It is definitely one of our guilty pleasures, and oh, he's back. It is filmed here in Charleston, so we have a special connection to that show, but it's just so good, and it's the finale tonight, so we are gonna watch that. And I have a big bowl of frozen berries for my dessert, and yeah, that's gonna be the rest of our day. So I'm gonna wrap it up here. Thank you guys for watching as always. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not already so you don't miss anything coming up, and I love you, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.